CPCE research concepts, jump rope edition, subjective data. Think of subjective data like asking your coach, how do I look when I jump? The answer depends on opinions, observations, and interpretation. It's verbal, descriptive, and influenced by perspective. Pros, good for starting research in detail. Cons, time intensive, not generalizable. CPCE angle, often used at the beginning stages of data collection. Objective data. Now picture filming yourself jumping rope and counting your skips. That's objective data, observable, measurable, and can be verified. It's all about numbers, skips per minute, missed jumps, heart rate. CPCE angle, collected in later stages, often with surveys or tests. Exploratory research design. This is like trying out a new rope, tricks no one really studied before. It's flexible, descriptive, and focused on what's happening here. CPCE angle, used when little is known, generates hypothesis. Descriptive survey design. Now you've seen the trick done a few times and want to study it systematically. You set conditions, ask participants, and describe the outcomes, but you can't prove it because the results. CPCE angle. Variables are partly controlled, supports but doesn't prove causality. Experimental studies. This is the controlled jump rope lab. You eliminate distractions, control for outside factors, and manipulate one variable like rope weight to see its effect on performance. CPCE angle. Independent variable is manipulated, allows casual conclusions. Population and samples. Population, every jumper in the world. Sample, the 30 jumpers you actually bring into the gym for your study. Subject, each individual jumper in that sample. CPCE angle, a sample must represent the population for results to matter. Generalizability, if your sample of 30 jumpers show that weighted ropes improve stamina, can we apply that to all jumpers? That's generalizability. How much your findings apply to the larger group. CPCE angle, the bigger and more representative the sample, the better the generalization. Simple random sampling. It's like putting every jumper's name in a hat and pulling them out. Equal chance for everyone. CPCE angle eliminates selection bias, strengthens validity. Sample CPCE question. Which of the following best represents objective data and counseling research study? A client describing how anxious they feel during group sessions. B, a counselor noting that a client appears restless and distracted. C, a survey measuring the number of panic attacks reported per week. D, a researcher's interpretation of interview responses. Correct answer, C, objective data equal measurable, numerical, and verifiable. Memory hack. When you study, imagine research as training with a rope. Subjective equal, how did that feel? Objective, how many skips? Exploratory, let's try a new trick. Descriptive, let's record what usually happens. Experimental equal, let's test if rope weight causes improvement. Population versus sample, all jumpers versus the 30 I tested. Generalizability equal, do these 30 jumpers results apply to all? Random sampling, names in a hat, anyone could get picked.